So recently, I had lunch with a friend during my birthday, and we talked about a lot of things. And one of the things that came up was the issue in respect of this particular topic, which is the dark side of success. And it is a subject or a topic that many don't talk about, the dark side of success. And two things came out of that discussion that I want us to, talk about today. The first thing is what it takes to become successful, and the second thing is what happens to you when you become successful. You see, these are two things that people never think about, or a lot of successful people also never talked about. And the reason why these two things came up was because we were having a reflection on our lives. We were having a reflection on what we've been through, what we have done, and what we are seeking to do as we are pursuing our goals and our objective. And so I want to ask you this question today. What is your dream? Maybe put it in the comment section for me. What is your dream? Why are you working so hard? What is your aspiration? What do you aim to achieve at the end of the day? When all is said and done, on your grave, what would you want to be written there? When all is said and done, what would you want to be known for? Then another thing I want you to think about is this. Why do you want to become successful? And what will it take for you to become successful? Have you asked yourself what it will take for you to become successful? Many people do not ask themselves what it will take to become successful. Yes, they have beautiful dreams. They have beautiful aspirations. They can pick up a diary and write their dreams, write their aspirations in their diary. But my question is, have you asked yourself what it would take for the dream written down to be successful? For the dream written down to come to pass? What will it take for you to become what you are praying for? Many people, I saw this quote somewhere, and someone said this, that many are envious of successful people, but nobody is asking how they got there. There are many of you who, when you see successful people, you are like, oh, I wish I have this car. Oh, I wish I was the one receiving these awards. Oh, I wish I was the one having this lifestyle. Oh, I wish that is how my marriage is. I wish I have a beautiful partner like this. I wish this is my husband. Oh, I wish, I wish, I wish. But you never asked what they have to do to get to where they are today that you wish you would be like them. Let me ask you again. Do you know what it will take for you to achieve that dream? Do you know what it will take for you to achieve that goal that you have in your heart? I say this all the time, that on the altar of success, there must be a sacrifice. Listen to that carefully. On the altar of success, there must be a sacrifice. What will it take for you to achieve your goals? You got to be willing to make some sacrifices. Now, before you get into any other ideas, on the altar of success, there must be a sacrifice. What are you willing to walk away from? Who are you willing to become? What are you willing to tolerate? How far are you willing to go? What can you give up right now? Who are you willing to stay without? What are you willing to continuously hear but not give up? How many times are you willing to try to achieve your goals? On the altar of success, there must be a sacrifice. My question is, what are you willing to give up? What are you willing to walk away from? What are you willing to sacrifice to make that dream come to pass?